From May 8 to 10, 2024, the next Mobility Exhibition Auto Show was held in Milan, Italy. Under the theme of Think Eco, Move Green, Yutong unveiled the 4 latest high-end battery electric models at the show.
At NME Milano, we have showcased 4 bus models. The first one is Yutong, which won Bus World Design Award in Belgium Bus Show. The second one is IC12, Class 2, high-floor intercity bus with high safety and lower power consumption. And the third one is U18, 80-meter bus with large passenger capacity. The last one is E7S, which is very popular at this bus show and suitable for European older cities.
Yutong's exhibited vehicles, characterized by their modern, stylish exteriors and safety and eco-friendly features, have received widespread praise from on-site visitors.
Questi autobus hanno molto stile, sono bianchi fuori e sono veramente molto belli alla vista e li trovo quindi molto stilosi e anche carini, perché no, quindi è bello viaggiarci sopra. Questi autobus sono anche dotati di una sicurezza per quanto riguarda la tecnologia della batteria e questo è molto importante per quanto riguarda l'ecologicità degli autobus.
Ma il principale motivo per cui abbiamo scelto Yutong è la professionalità che esprime. La qualità di Yutong è indubbia, è una grande azienda e la più grande esperienza personale che abbiamo avuto con Yutong è l'affidabilità. Non abbiamo mai avuto problemi particolari in linea e questo vuol dire un grande risparmio, quindi questo vuol dire bassi consumi, grandi tecnologie, grandi novità, sempre presente con nel mercato con tecnologie all'avanguardia.
For NME, Yutong displayed 4 types of bus and coach. They're all 100% electric. First, design. Yutong's E7S incorporates the fashionable capsule design. It looks like a smile and very amiable and cute. And it has won the Right Dot Award for design. Second, environmentally friendly. U18 and U12 incorporates CO2 AC, which has the excellent performance in energy saving. Okay, the next is our E-Axle. So all 4 types of bus and coach incorporates our lightweight E-Axles, which can reduce the weight of the bus by 20%. In the future, we will continue to contribute to the sustainable development in the electric buses.
As an international mainstream bus supplier, Yutong Bus has offered a safe, reliable, green, and intelligent new energy bus products to over 40 countries and regions worldwide, contributing to the green transportation of public transport in Europe and improving people's travel experience.